the Ploughman, the Ploughman, traditional. The first three verses are traditional in the chorus, and Robert Burns added the last three verses. The traditional variants of this tended toward the body, and he was creating a socially acceptable version for the Scots Musical Museum, which he managed to do without losing the song's sexual punch. Ploughman, he's a bonny lad, his mind is ever true, Joe. His garters knit below his knee, his bonnet it is blue, Joe. Then up with my Ploughman lad, and he my merry Ploughman. Of all the trades that I do ken, commend me to the Ploughman. Ploughman, he comes hame at night, he's aften wet and weary, cast off the wet, put on the dry, and gae take bed, my dearie. Up with my Ploughman lad, and hey, my merry Ploughman. Of all the trades that I do ken, commend me to the Ploughman. I will wash my Ploughman's hose, and I will dress his orley. I will mak my Ploughman's bed, and cheer him late and early. Up with my Ploughman lad, and hey, my merry Ploughman. Of all the trades that I do ken, commend me to the Ploughman. Abing east, abing west, abing at Saint Johnston, the boniest sech that e'er I saw was the Ploughman laddie dancin. Up with my Ploughman lad, and hey, my merry Ploughman. Of all the trades that I do ken, commend me to the Ploughman. Snow-white stockins on his legs, and the siller buckles glancin, a kid blue bonnet on his head, and oh, but he was handsome. Up with my Ploughman lad, and hey, my merry Ploughman. Of all the trades that I do ken, commend me to the Ploughman. Commend me to the barren year and the corn man. I never got my coggy foo till I met with the Ploughman. Up with my Ploughman lad, and hey, my merry Ploughman. Of all the trades that I do ken, commend me to the Ploughman. So let's see the words. Orlay, I will dress his orlay as his necktie. Saint Johnston is Perth. Siller is silver. The last verse, commend me to the barnyard and the corn moo man, the stack of grain. Corn moo. I never got my cogie foo. A cogie is a drinking bowl. Full. In this case, it is a feminine sexual symbol, till I met with a Ploughman. So Burns loves to triple up his rhymes in his climactic verses, so he gets moo, foo, and plew. Commend me to the barnyard and the corn moo man. I never got my cogie foo till I met with the Ploughman. Beautiful. So, yeah, that was published in 1788. In the Scots Musical Museum, my tune I'm using is from Robert Burns's Scots Reels or Country Dances, 1757, wherein it's called The Jolly Ploughman. That's a bit more interesting than the tune that was unvarying between verse and chorus in Scots Musical Museum. So, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. I'm putting up all the songs of Burns, if I live that long. And yeah, Ploughman.